Okay, we cleaned out this bunch of mud in there, and we filled up the shower, blasted it out. The water's running pretty good. And we came over here and we found this old septic tank, and we drained. It's a pretty big one. It's from here all the way over there. There's a valve for the plastic piece of pipe on there. So it wasn't done that long ago. And now we are going to cover it up. We discovered it, we found it. And so now I don't know where it drains to. I don't know if it drains off that way or it drains off this way. I don't feel like digging out. That was enough. Okay. Where's Piggly? Hello, baby. Get away, get away. Piggly's sort of depressed. I don't know why. I think the dogs were fighting him yesterday. And I have to get rid of the dogs. Okay, over and out. I gotta get in on this.